So, hey friends, in this podcast, we are going to talk about predictions made by Nostradamus for the year 2021. So, before that, a short introduction to Nostradamus. Nostradamus was born and brought up in France. He has predicted important events such as independence of India, death of Hitler, Great Fire of Britain, terrorist attacks, and mainly COVID 19. He has also predicted about the COVID 19 pandemic. So, according to his book, the 2021 year is not so good for us because of his predictions. So, I'll start it. So, the first prediction in itself is bad because the first prediction tells is destruction of human race. According to his verses, he wrote a Russian scientist would create a biological weapon that would turn a human into a creepy, ugly looking zombies. Yes, the first prediction in itself is bad. So, moving on to second prediction. Famine. Nostradamus predicted that before the end of the world there would be famines, earthquakes and various type of diseases as or more difficult to handle than COVID-19. Okay. Now what could we see in 2021? We have seen COVID-19, the most greatest pandemic of my life or your also. So, moving on to the third prediction. Artificial intelligence. Robots will rule the world. From the year 2021, artificial intelligence will be the same or surpass human intelligence so that we can lead an apocalypse or the warlike scenario like those in the films. So this may be happen because Elon Musk has also stated that after 20 years there will be a huge loss of mankind and means humans will be replaced by robots. As you can see, the world is changing and artificial intelligence is growing, so we cannot say anything about that. So the fourth prediction is fall of economy in 2021. Hundreds of closed head funds will go bankrupt and international money market will need to close in short time. Nostradamus also predicted that 2008 crisis. So, as there was a crisis in 2008, there would be crisis in 2021 too. So, this is not a good year. It is the brother of 2020, I would say. So, another prediction, the rise in the sea level. The water will cross the lands and enter into uh, the home of humans. In his verses, he stated that there will be the rising of, I would say, there would be such attacks like tsunamis, and he's basically talking about global warming. So, currently 50% of world's population lives in coastal areas. Following the example of Newton city of Alaska, one can see the predictions of possible disasters. Yes, we should do something to stop this. So, the next prediction is solar explosion. Solar activity has been and will remain a subject of interest for experts. In 2021, the sun will cross the cycle of 11 years and reach the peak, which is known as maximum solar. Various experts have guessed that, according to this, the maximum solar, very intense solar eruptions would occur, but does not turn into a total natural chaos destruction. So relax about this prediction. The next prediction is a comet would hit the earth or come very close to Terra. The event would be causing the earthquake, the natural disasters, and many more such activities. So, the NASA has also confirmed or predicted, I would say confirmed because NASA cannot predict. NASA has NASA has confirmed that there is an asteroid which may hit the Earth or just move besides the Terra. So, the predictions of Nostradamus cannot be ignored because he has made many famous predictions such as World War II, death of Hitler, rise of communism, and many more. So the last prediction in our list is the World War III. In his verses, he states that the two allies will join and classic and open military conflict in which naval fleet will be completely against each other. Unfortunately, this will be only the beginning of this conflict. These two friendly countries will turn into a global war involving the world's most powerful countries. Friends, Anchor is the smartest way of podcasting. So this is the podcasting which tells you about your audience, your listeners, and that nearly tells you about how your audience react to your podcasting. And Anchor is the flexible way of podcasting created by the famous company known as Spotify. So, what are you waiting for? Just jump into it. So, this was the last and the most breaking prediction which has made by Nostradamus. His predictions cannot be ignored and we must think over it. Mostly his predictions are 90% correct and 10% wrong. So, hope you like my podcast. Please subscribe to our channel Motivational Guruji. If you have some suggestions, you can comment in your voice. I will provide the link in description.